What is up, guys? Welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is the 128GB ROM and 8GB RAM version. And as you can see, the price quoted is 71,000, which is actually not true. It is somewhere around 67,000 rupees. And opening the box, we have the device in Prism white color. As you can see, in my opinion, this color looks the best. And taking a look at the box, we get a 15 watt adaptive charger and some AKG earphones, so that's really nice. And they have a braided cable as well. We have a USB OTG converter and a SIM ejector tool, as well as a hard plastic case. So that's really good, and more companies should start bundling these cases. Along with, we get some quick start guides, and that's pretty much it. So taking a look at the phone itself, as you can see, we have the hole punch display in this smartphone. Along with, at the back, we have 3 cameras, a USB type C and a headphone jack as well. So if we turn on the display, powering the phone on, we get the screen Samsung Galaxy S10. So starting the mobile, as you can see, this is mobile phone itself, and I have already set it up. As you can see, I have turned on the night mode, and the display, as we all know, is the best by Samsung. Samsung is one of the best display makers, and as you can see, the hole punch can be visible, and I think this is the best notch implementation right now, and I feel it is better than the motorized solutions as well. Going to the about phone section and checking the Android version, we see the skin by Samsung, the One UI, running Android version 9. And checking out the camera, which is a highlight in this phone, we get a wide angle camera, so that is really good, and it can give you some pretty cool shots. And in video, we get the same things as well. So as you can see, it is standard One UI interface, and the shutter speed is really good in the camera as well. We also get the feature for wireless power share. So if you have another phone with wireless charging capabilities, so your Samsung Galaxy S10 devices can wirelessly charge. For example, for this demonstration, I have my Samsung Galaxy S9, and if I place it over the mobile, it will start charging. And although the speed of charging won't be that great, but in emergency, this might help. So this was the overlook and the first unboxing. Thanks for watching.